So this one is for my mom and for her channel Rani's Kitchen 01. You all can follow. It's a cooking channel she has been running for last 6 years. Now she has reached 23,000 subscribers and it's growing. Thank you for all your support. And this is a noodle recipe from her, which also includes, it's a vegetarian recipe. And enjoy watching this, and also you can make it if you like it. It was very tasty as feedback from my friends, and then it was like finished in just 30 minutes. We were so hungry and then we just finished this very fast. Thank you for watching. To make this dish, it's very simple. You can first fry with some salt and add onion, green peas, some green chilies along with pre-prepared coriander, and then you can fry this for, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes. Then you have to add dry noodles in it and let it also fry for, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes. Add water and let it boil until you feel the taste and see the color as shown in the video.